Hello everyone. Today I am just going to talk about my Newberry trip that happened today. So, yeah, it was kind of a fail. There were ups and downs, but yeah, I'm gonna first, talk about, what happened when I was trying to film Prosperity, station number 2. So, yeah, it failed. Probably because they're monthly tests now. Probably. I don't mean to spread misinformation. It probably, I don't know. But yeah, it was a fail. I was sitting there for basically 5 minutes, just waiting for the siren to go off. So, that was, entertaining, but sadly it'll be a pain to import the footage because yeah. Okay, yeah, next. So basically, I heard nothing through a scanner, and I was so confused, sitting there for 5 to 10 minutes, and yeah, it's just, yeah. And, yeah, how do I know, who did I get the information from, that said that was the monthly test? My friend. So, yeah. But let's talk about the good side. Afterwards, we drove over to Silver Street, and I got to see the Thunderbolt. I didn't get to see it go off, but I got a couple of pictures. Yeah. So, I'm showing them on camera right now, but yeah, I got to see the blower and everything. Cool, I guess. So, yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a good day. Goodbye.